Okay, here we are at Persephone Theatre in Saskatoon, coming up on the Pomegranate Gallery, where Hieke and I have a joint show called Forged and Fiber in the Pomegranate Gallery during the play Stones in His Pocket, which I'm not sure of the dates. This is the entry where you come in up the steps, and then you come around into the gallery proper. I love Hike's work. She does these kneaded stones that are all done with needle felt. And then there's my ironwork. This piece is called Eclipse. We come around. Kind of hard to see, but there is my sweet pea candle holder in the middle of the room. It's a gorgeous space. We just got done setting things up. There still needs to be tags and all that. But this can be viewed anytime the Persephone is open. I will post more on Instagram when the show is. The show is called Stones in His Pocket. This piece is called 6 Degrees of Loss. If you look up what the show is about, it'll make a little bit more sense. More of Hike's felted work and her stones. Here's my elegant candle holder. It's called the elegant candle holder because that's called the elegant pillar candle. More of Hike's work. My hat rack doesn't really show up the best, does it? And there we have the Triskele hanging in the window. It doesn't really show up all that well, but you'll have to come down and see it in person. Considering we put the show together at very last minute, there's a cross piece that I made. View out the window. There's the Remy Art Gallery. There's the South Saskatchewan River. Back to that cross. I know I'm a little shaky. It's getting late in the day here. And there is another one of my pieces, surrounded neatly by Hike's stones. More view out the window. And there's the triquetra. Let's see if I can get a better shot of it here. Trust me, it looks much better in person. And one more pan of the gallery proper, and that is it. So thank you very much, and hope you enjoy the exhibition.